Hello, my name is Boris, and I want to introduce to you a new innovative device with which we can measure and track and even visualize all kinds of emotions and sensations. Especially, I want to focus on the emotion of pain. There are about 20% of adults in Europe and in the United States that suffer severely from chronic pain. Chronic pain is defined as a pain that lasts for at least 6 months. In Germany, only in Germany, the public health insurance companies pay approximately 1.8 billion euro each year for the treatment of pain and for pain medicines. And in the media these days we hear a lot even about a so-called opioid crisis or opioid epidemic. Now the root core, how to solve these problems, I am convinced is a good foundation of the therapy. That means a solid measurement and monitoring of pain. Let us have a look at this new inventive device. Well, this is it, and I call it the eEgg. E stands for emotion, and as you can see, this one has got the shape of an egg. Of course, it can have various different shapes, a banana or a pineapple, for example, if you want to motivate children to measure pain with compliance. It is very light, it feels good in the hand, has got a nice haptic, it is soft, and you can press it lightly, you can press it stronger, and you can even squeeze it all the way down to its core. Talking about the core, in the core you will find a battery. There's a microchip inside that stores data, a Bluetooth interface to transport the data to an app or to a visualization software, and we have pressure force sensors inside. Well, there are methods to measure pain today. Analog scales, and recently some apps appeared on the market. But all of these methods put an unreasonable demand on a patient who suffers pain, who is probably lying in bed, or who might even be addicted. The big advantages of this eEgg are, first of all, you can measure pain anytime and everywhere, like here in the middle of nature. Second, you don't need sight. You don't need the ability to speak or hear. You can simply measure the pain even in a dark room lying in bed. But the biggest advantage of this is that this method includes the natural reflection of pain. That is, squeezing the muscles together. Pain is an adversive, it is a protopathic feeling. And imagine you sitting on the dentist's chair. What are you doing when you feel pain? You squeeze the fist. This natural reaction is being taken into the measurement procedure of pain, and it will lead to a much better compliance of the patients, I certainly believe. Well, thank you for watching my video. On my website you will find another clip where you can see the functionalities in detail of this eEgg, also with a easy visualization software, which of course can be perfected. On that clip you will also see the old analog scale out of the 60s, made out of paper, which is the gold standard of pain measurement today. Bye bye.